streamers like Kai Cenat, Speed, Aiden Ross pull in crazy amounts of revenue from their live streams monthly. And you want to be like them, right? Popular, famous, having a big fan base, landing brand deals here and there, and etc. So you got your camera ready, your mic crisp, and then you click the live button. But after 2 hours of streaming, you still got 0 views. No chat, no hype, just silence. But here's the twist. Some streamers never dealt with this. They skipped the grind, the struggles that comes with being a newbie to the game. And in this video, I'm going to show you how they did it. From buying Twitch views to buying chatbots, I will show you the full step-by-step blueprint. So stick around till the end. First, go to the Nazop website using the link provided in the description. Sign up or log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you'll see your balance displayed at the top and several navigation tabs on the left side of the dashboard. In this tutorial, we will be buying views and chatbots for random struggling streamers. We can use this guy for example. He currently has little viewers on his stream. That's about to change. But first, before we place any orders, I will need to show you how to add funds to your Nazop account. To do that, click on Deposit. Choose from several payment options, including card, crypto, bank transfer, and more. For this example, if you select crypto and entered $100, you'll receive an additional $9 bonus. After filling out your details and clicking Pay Securely, the funds will be added to your account instantly. Let's go get the live viewers and chatbots. Click on New Order. Once there, you'll see various platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and more. Click on More to show all options. Select Twitch, click on the drop-down. Several service options will appear. Keep scrolling down till you see Twitch live stream viewers best for growth. Then click on it. Paste the link of the Twitch channel you want to purchase live stream viewers for into the link box. In this case, it will be this guy's account link. So I will copy and paste in there. Enter the quantity in here. I will be buying 1,000 live stream viewers for him. The total cost came to around $3, which isn't expensive if you come to think of it. You can increase the quantity as needed. For example, 10,000 live stream viewers cost around $30. Click Order Now to complete the purchase. Within a couple minutes, the live stream viewers started appearing on his stream. After some time, the order was fully delivered, and his stream is now up by 1,000 viewers.
Night. How did we get 900 viewers? How did that happen? Who's hosting us? Who's hosting us?
That is how to buy live stream viewers for your live streams on Nazop. Now let me show you how to buy chatbots for your live stream too. After clicking on New Order and selecting Twitch, click on the drop-down. Several service options will appear. Scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you see Twitch chat comments best for engagement. Then click on it. Paste the link of the Twitch channel you want to purchase chat comments for into the link box. In this case, it will be this guy's account link. So I will copy and paste in there. Enter the quantity in here. I will be buying 200 chat comments for him. The total cost came to around $4, which isn't expensive if you come to think of it. You can increase the quantity as needed. For example, 1,000 chat comments cost around $18. Click Order Now to complete the purchase. Within a couple minutes, the live chat comments started appearing on his stream. After some time, the order was fully delivered, and his live stream is now up by 200 comments. If you want a chance to win free Twitch live stream viewers and chatbots, comment your Twitch username down below. You might be one of the lucky winners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.